We often speak of these unprecedented times through which we're living right now, but the reality is that can look so different for each and every one of us. So whether you're simply looking for a unique take on motivating yourself to complete your day-to-day tasks, or you're experiencing chaos and uncertainty during this time period in your life right now, booking an intuitive coaching session with me will guarantee that you receive unique guidance centered around self-love, empowerment, and self-healing through the law of attraction. I provide actionable steps to begin removing the mental and emotional blockages that are keeping you from accomplishing your goals. My name is Devyn Morris. I'm a certified life coach, Reiki master, and energy healing practitioner. And if you're ready to begin the work in removing your energetic blocks, head on over to my website to book with me now and begin raising your vibes with Devyn.